Hello everyone, Simon here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this quick video. So let's get started. This is the chart, yen index chart I made on the 21st May, that either from here or here, we were here, that I said that we gonna be maybe dropping here and making a nice butterfly pattern and then go up, or maybe we'll go up exactly from here. So what happened is that we went up from here back to 39.90, but then we drop again and finish up this pattern anyway. So going little upside, I had a couple of decent trades, but now I made another chart yesterday, which is this. You see that it went up to 53.90 and then it dropped, and it is actually the area for that butterfly pattern, and that's what's exactly happening right now. Okay, so this is what it is finished here, and see this reversal candle is in place. It's making right now, it's in its way, and then remember this, I wrote down here, this will make all yen pairs go up again. So are they going to the upside? Let's go take a look. These are the trades and entries that I already did based on that little move to the upside. This is USD yen, right? It's going to the upside, and USD yen and pound yen, I posted, I sent a message on my Telegram earlier in this evening that they are making a long setup, and then I'll be going long. So it's beautiful entry here, beautiful entry here. This is the one I took, and it is going so far nice and clean. Let's see if I get lucky. And here also, this one has made an entry here, and this one is also yuan. That was euro yen, this is Aussie yen, and this is CAD yen. Okay, so all of these have made the entries and going up nicely, and let's see if I win. And if I win, then like I said, that if that index continue going to the upside, bouncing from that area, 53.90 is a very, very powerful area. If you don't know where it is, let me show it to you. It's a very big number. This is what it is, 53.19, big number, right? So we bounced from here before, and we can bounce from here again. So let's see what happened, and that is what the reaction is. For so far so good. So keep an eye on it. This is just the beginning. Okay, so we're gonna have some more entries down the road. If you have missed, then just look for the entries. Today is Thursday, and the Friday is as it is a dead day, right? So I'm not gonna go into any other pair or anything. If you pay attention to just this, and if it works out, you can have 200, 300 pips between today and tomorrow. Okay, and you just saw my entries. Even if I lose all of them, doesn't matter. It's 5 pips, 7 pip here, there. It's okay, right? But if I'm right, I'll show you the big trades tomorrow. Another thing that I want to show you is that it's very interesting that see Euro Aussie. This was happening here. It couldn't go above last week, right? 62.48, and I said that we're probably gonna drop back to into this area. This was my target. So it came down here, and now it is on this target. But what I want to show is that on the 7-minute chart, you can see how beautiful it came down. Remember the telegram I sent out the message saying that if we might bounce from 61.38, we did. Exactly, we came down here, we bounced beautiful to the upside, and then short entry again back to 61.21 weekly high here, right? And then if you don't know where it is, all these numbers, let me show you on a weekly chart. This is 61.21, this is 61.38, and this is 61.88, and this is 62.48. These are the numbers in play right now. Okay, so it bounced from there, came down, bounced again from here, and then went up testing 61.38, couldn't go up, and came down, and then below 61.21. Then it went up testing 61.21, failed again, and dropped straight down to 60.72, which is, if you don't know where it is right there. Okay, so it is coming down. We are just below that, and it might go down even more. So let's see. If not, then the next number would be 59.82, and if we hold here, and if we try to go up again above 60.72, then we will go up again. So let's see what kind of news or funding we have in place or whatnot. But this is how, just wanted to show you that if you pay attention, you can catch all of these beautiful trades to the downside. I didn't. Okay, I just got one. You know that, and I posted on the website, right? So far this is how it is. But tonight theme is yen index bouncing from 53.19 and going up. We're gonna be catching some decent amount of yen pairs, trades in yen pairs. Okay, and I just showed you some of my entries already. All right, so let's hope that it will go all the way tonight, and if it does, we're gonna get lucky and we're gonna get some decent amount of pippage. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the week. Sunday is going to be a live webinar. All right, and hopefully I will set up a Saturday webinar just for the question answer for newcomers. It's a lot of newcomers always, so they have questions, the concern. So I'm gonna hold a question answer session on Saturday, and then Sunday market recap. Then I will go all over, and then also I'm making some new templates, so I will be sending out to you guys all the weekly new templates. Okay, so let me finish that up over the weekend. Slow time, not too many opportunities, but if you have one like this one, it's a big opportunity, and if I'm right, we're gonna see some decent amount of bounce from it. Okay, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.